Good morning, Miss Neville Science students. Today we're going to be looking at the gizmo that you needed to complete Wednesday and Thursday and Friday possibly. You want to remember that there are no live classes today, so you'll want to make sure that you're completing the assignments, either past or present assignments that you need to be working on today. So let's look at this first gizmo, energy conversions. When we're looking here, Ms. Neville's going to click Launch the Gizmo. I've logged in, so I have more than 5 minutes to complete it. And what I'm doing is clicking on each one of the objects, both inside the house and outside the house. And I'm reading about each of these parts of an ecosystem. It's important for us to realize that energy continues to move whether we see it or not, and it's constantly transforming. And so even the sun is able to emit energy. When we look here, after we've played with this, okay, or we can even look at the path, the sun, the air, it's then going to turn those wind turbines, okay? And those wind turbines will power a house. We can do all of these kind of manipulations of this environment to answer our 5 questions. So you've logged in as yourself. So after you've played with this, and you may have to go back and play with it a little bit more, you're going to answer these 5 questions. Which of these objects converts light to chemical energy? We want to remember that that word converts literally means transforms. So it turns one thing into another. So which one of these is converting light, radiant energy into chemical energy? Okay, and you're going to choose your best answer here. We want to remember that radiant energy is energy that's coming from the sun, or the sun can also emit light energy. And chemical energy is what we find in food, fuel, or batteries. Number 2, which energy path shows one way energy can get to a light bulb? So you may have to play here with this. Click reset so you can start again and really play with it to see which one of these can get energy to a light bulb. If I were you, I would try out each one of these. Click on the sun. Does the sun's energy then go to water? It can. And then, does it go to the dam? It can. And can it transfer to a light? It can. And so that could possibly be your correct answer. Number 3, what source of energy, this is our power source, what source of energy causes winds to blow around the world? To find that out, you may want to click on each of these objects in our environment to find out which one it is. I promise it gives you the correct answer. So you may want to click on the wind turbines, the sun, I think this is the clouds, or the chicken. So you want to see which one of these is the source of why wind blows around the earth. Think about it this way. Which one of these is powerful enough to cause wind to blow? Would a chicken? So use process of elimination if you need to. Number 4, what is electrical energy converted to inside a toaster? So I may want to click on my toaster, click on information mode. I may want to click on my toaster and read about it, and possibly that could help me to get the answer to number 4. Number 5, what do wind turbines, hydroelectric dams, and ethanol plants all have in common? If I were you, I would click on information mode. I would read about the wind turbines. I would read about the dam. And I would read about the ethanol plant to see what they all have in common. Once you've read about all 3 of these, then you'll be able to answer question 5. Please take your time and email Ms. Neville if you have any questions. Have a great day.